Now let's chat about the DEKOPRO 158-piece tool set. This one leans into a slightly more professional-looking presentation and often markets the build quality, forged steel, high-polished chrome finish, and ANSI-grade claims. The kit usually includes a polished quick-release ratchet, adjustable wrench, a decent socket range, claw hammer, pliers, wire stripper, measure tape, and a selection of hex keys and screwdrivers, the essentials for home and light auto maintenance. Retail pages note, 1K plus bought in past month, at times, which signals strong demand for the model. Like many of these kits, it's packaged in a plastic case with mold slots so you can tell at a glance what's missing. From owner's feedback, the DEKOPRO often scores well for appearances and the case layout. The sockets and wrench pieces are reported to be serviceable for household and mid-level tasks. A few owners note occasional socket slipping under high torque and recommend not using the smaller ratchets for heavy automotive jobs. Overall sentiment is good enough for DIYers and hobbyists, with a case that's more organized than the cheapest sets. Compared to Amazon Basics or Prostormer, DEKOPRO's marketing emphasizes a polished look and a focus on the ratchet socket experience. If you're putting value on feel and presentation, this might be slightly ahead. Pros: clean finish, organized case, solid selection for home repair. Cons: not a professional service-grade alternative. Sockets and small ratchet heads can show strain under constant heavy torque. If you want something looking a bit more pro in your garage without paying the pro price, DEKOPRO is a solid mid-tier choice. We share buy links in the description box.